Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to make a police siren using the 555 timer circuit. This is an electrical diagram of the 555 timer circuit. Okay, so these are the 555 timer circuits. This here doesn't match the layout of the breadboard. What it is that the wires, it tells you where they're supposed to be positioned. Like here it says 1. What it means is you're gonna put it right here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Okay, so these are the 555 timer circuits. I got 2 of them. I have jumper wires, I have resistors, and I also have the capacitors. This is the speaker. So how the speaker works is that the speaker converts electricity into sound. How it does this is by using the energy of the changing electrical signal to create mechanical vibrations using a coil and magnet. So there's the magnet.
Cool.
And these vibrations create variations in air pressure which travel across the room. You hear sound when your ear feels these air pressure variations. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here.
Point to here. To third. Oops. Okay. Oops. That's hard to see. There. Can you point to 2? And go over to with the capacitor. It's in the 2 position. Right there. And then to the negative. Okay. So it's here, and it goes to here. So it's here, and it goes to here. This. This. So we've got 8th position to the positive. So we've got 8th position to the positive. Okay. Okay. Mm. There. Okay. So, okay. Mm. There. Okay. So, oops, here, over there. Wait. Wait. Turn around. Can you point to the 2nd position? 2nd leg, and then draw the line over. Right there. Okay. So, oops, here, over there. So we've got our Okay, in the 8th position,
Okay, everything's wired in. We have our speaker. We have our power bank. This is my positive. This is my negative. The positive is going in, and the negative is going in. Now, as long as the negative is on the negative side, it'll work, and as long as the positive is on the positive side, it'll work.